What is up, YouTube? It is I am Jordan. Today, is gonna be one of the craziest videos I've did, but I'm not doing it alone. I got my boy Alex coming with me. We are going to Dyer's Lane after work, which is 11 o'clock, and it's a haunted lane. There's stories. I will be posting the story in, right now. So, stay tuned. Well, are you ready?
Huh?
Are you ready?
It's whatever. What's it called? Let's get this shit done. What's it called? Hoping to see some ghost.
Well, man, there will be better lighting, by the way. It's just bad right now. I'm about to use my flash. And,
Little zoinks. Like zoinks, man.
on our way to Dyer's Dying Lane.
Dying Lane. It's time to die, bro. Not even the mystery gang can stop this one, bro.
Nope. What do you think we're gonna see, bro?
I don't know, bro. Like last time we went, man, we seen that one bro on the tree.
Cars were disappearing. We're about to walk through that? Like, what?
Shoot. I don't know what to say about it. Well, we just young, wild, and free.
I mean, you only live once, man. You might as well get every opportunity you can. And to make it better, it is raining.
Man, how crazy are we?
It is raining, man. And it's gonna pretty much be midnight by the time we get there.
We're like, what, like 30 minutes away from it?
Yep. Sheesh. Right off of work, too.
Right off. We just got off 18 minutes ago. We gotta. I was telling everybody at work, I was like, man, I said, if I do a no call, no show, just know I'm dead.
It's about to be a little rough. This is content. This is content.
I'm giving you what you guys want. You can cut that one out.
I'm gonna keep it uncut, but probably on the way. So pretty much, I will start recording again when we get there. So I will see you guys then. Bro, look at this. There's nobody behind us. Nothing. Look how dark this is. We are not gonna be in the car, my guys. We are walking. Like, look at this. We're gonna be somewhere to the right, and you cannot see a thing.
Oh, now I remember what light you were talking about. It's the one just like in the middle of the place, huh?
Yep.
What was it? We gotta make it right?
Mm-hmm. And this, my guy,
It's hell.
it's happening. It's happening, man.
We're on Alberta Road right now, guys.
This is happening.
Just letting y'all know that right now.
This is happening right now. So, I'm gonna record it again. I just wanted you guys to see this. But, just stay tuned, I guess. We're gonna drive through it first, and then we'll see how it goes. It's right here.
It's literally right here.
Turn left onto Tire Lane.
And my phone is glitching out. It's like stopping and then going. Hold on, let me get the sign. Slow down right here. I don't think you can see it, but we're here. This is the height.
just for safety precautions.
Safety precautions.
And we want to come out here next to some
Blood on trees already. Blood on trees.
No, we don't want to come over here next to be a guy with the shotgun.
There's already blood on trees. Fuck. My bad, I did not mean to cuss. I'm trying not to cuss on YouTube. There is writing on that tree. Shoot. This is
There's trash on the side of the sidewalk. What the heck? That was a face, bro.
this is
Oh, dude, I forgot my flashlight.
I'm on phone. So we are here. Slow down, let me see.
This is for sale. You see neo-Nazi signs all over the place.
A lot of weird stuff.
Look around. Oh, there's a person right behind us too.
Really?
Yeah.
Dang, there's actually a car behind us. Should slow down. Should slow down. Roll the window down. I'm gonna try to use my flash, even though we all know that's not gonna do anything. Oh, it actually does something.
My tire just popped right here.
That would be cool.
Well,
Full bunch of trash. That was a little creepy. I thought I saw blood on the blanket.
probably was. There's probably a dead person right here. You want to see a dead body?
Papers all on trees. Trash everywhere. A car behind us. Man. You can't see nothing.
I don't know that. Fuck
That's a cone. Don't go off the side though. You probably- Damn.
Yeah, bro, this car going hell fast.
Dixie. I'll start driving hella fast. What are you driving so fast for?
Bro, pull out a shotgun,
Pull out a shotgun. We got a car coming this way. You're all on the side. So it's not that bad. But I'm gonna record again when we start walking. We are here. We are about to walk. Yeah. That's good. Yep. Oh my gosh. You wanna put your hazards on?
Huh?
Wanna put your hazards on?
Shoot.
Yeah.
your hazards.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh my goodness. Huh?
Did you shoot me?
Yeah?
No, I don't know.
You have your keys?
Yeah, I got my keys.
It would be better. Some cops or something, they'll be like, yeah, it was overheating.
I don't even know where we're at.
Shoot, man. Wow, damn. This is it? This is what you guys wanted. How do you feel, bro?
Huh? I just don't want it though.
The car is over there.
Oh, you like snow, bro.
Yes, it feels like it's snowing. We'll stay on this left side.
Show the car.
I did. Stay right here. Oh my goodness, you guys. This is not the business. My bad if it's kind of dark. Try to, yeah.
Does it see? Can you see?
Yeah. Well, hold on. Let me see. Yeah, you can't really see the road.
Are we really walking into this thing?
We're really walking down this. This is a haunted lane, but I'm about to listen, see if I can hear anything. But, so there's a story. There's multiple stories. A cop got ran over. Get the light out of my face. So a cop had got hit by a car over here. There was 3 witches that were doing witchcraft. We have a 6 on this tree. Hold on, let me try to. If you can't see that, that's too bad. I'm not getting too dirty for it. Oh, another one. Another 6. I'm getting shivering me timbers. Point the light forward so I can. Yeah, this is it. A 6 on a lot of trees. Yeah. Walking down the middle of the lane too. I just want you guys to know, show some love for this video. We are walking down it. The car is over there. We are over here.
Your girlfriend too, bro.
Man, my girl's gonna kick my ass, man. Pray for me. We're gonna walk to where this creepy tree was, and we're gonna walk back. Because we also don't wanna, our safety matters too. And we can't really see because it's like snowing. What the hell, dude? Hey, if we see a car lights.
Satan.
Oh my goodness.
You should record that program.
Alright. I'm not gonna. Oh my god, bro. I'm not even gonna lie, bro. I'm kinda scared. I'm kinda scared, bro. Hold on. Get the light off of me. I don't want to be a target. I just heard footsteps, bro. Goodness.
Trucks on the hoodie, bro. You don't know.
Oh, hell nah. Hell no, bro. I wonder if the camera got that. Bro. I wonder if the camera got that on camera. Oh my god, bro. Don't, why are you running? Why are you leaving me? Bro. Put the camera down, like point it over there towards the car. I am leaving.
What was it?
Bruh. Oh my god. I am not messing with this right now, bro. Hold on. Look, we are out here. All right, hold on. Just put the camera down and listen. And don't move, don't move. Listen. All right, I'm gonna tell you what I heard.
What's that say?
Oh, at this point, I don't even care what it says. What the fuck? Whew. Sorry for my language, guys. So, we were walking, right? And, I literally heard, like, a little girl say, "Help me." I swear to you, bro. If I have got that on camera, oh my goodness. A girl said, "Help me." And I literally got like chills as soon as I heard that. We're gonna drive slowly through here just to not, wuss out all the way. But I feel like you guys also can't see that much in front of me, but bruh. Like, you can't see nothing. I can't see nothing. And yeah. This is straight recorded too. Damn, that is the last thing we needed was that coming on. I kid you guys not. Not even for content. I heard a girl say, "Help me." I am going to turn it up and y'all are going to hear it. Just what I heard. Oh my God. That is not the business. We'll see. I'll get back to you guys on it. Like, slow down? Like, is there anybody behind us? Just like automatically just stop. So we could.
I gotta fix my brakes.
Damn, bro.
Can't really see nothing.
You can't. I can only see like off of your high beams.
Really here.
Turn it up. Your high beams. We couldn't even see the road like this. We need bigger flashlights if we're gonna ever go adventuring like that. But my guy, I have never felt so frightened.
You see?
No, I can see the front of the road because your high beams are on, but
Oh no, dude, I told you, bro.
But we're gonna kind of slowly, so we can see like the stuff on the trees and stuff like that. That was some bravery.
Hey, put the thing on my gas, bro. Remember, these ghosts hijacked my gas, bro. They hijacked my gas.
Some intense editing tonight.
Can't you turn up the brightness?
Yeah, well, it's not gonna really change the fact that it's gonna make the screen brighter, but you're not gonna be able to see the road like how we can see it now. I'm still recording.
That shit is my bad.
No, that's good.
Look at this mirror, bro. Like, you get to see none of my mirrors.
Straight black. Bro, this was a trip.
Holy hell, bro.
Look at all this trash that's just out there. Like, oh wait. You have to go. You see that? You see that blanket? Is that blood on that? Like, you saw that, right?
Yeah, no, the white blanket, yeah.
Whoa.
Bro, there's probably a body in it, bro.
I'm not gonna find out.
I don't want to find out neither.
I mean, whoever it was, hopefully they were safe. I mean, I don't know. It could just be something else. There was a paper on the tree too. But I'm not, I low-key want to see what it says, but I low-key don't.
More trash on the side over there.
This video could have been longer if it wasn't raining, so you guys kind of lucked out on this one. But, oh well. If I'm gonna post this video, it's probably gonna be right before work. Shoot. What does it say on this sign right up here? Yeah. It's just a smiley face? Yeah, it's a smiley face. Weird stuff, man.
I don't know, one of these have like a neo-Nazi sign, you remember?
Yeah.
I don't know, it was one of these.
There used to be bullet holes in the sign and they took some down. But this is... I will be getting back to you guys when I get back to the house, because right now we're just driving, so see you then. On our way out of Dyer's Lane, there's just like a, well, you can't really see him anymore, he's kind of far back. Just a cop. Just a cop just in his car, just sitting down, just like...
Yeah, I just posted. What do you...
Let me remind you guys, the last time we went in a car over there, it was on Halloween.
There's Alberto right here.
Yeah, make it right. And what happened was this, yeah, you can go. So that was annoying. But there was a cop and a whole bunch of people just standing there staring at the cars we were getting by, but yeah, we don't know what to say about it. So
we're back in Alberta, bro. We're back to...
we have left that area. I will try my best to edit out that help me. I promise you guys. I promise. What a night, YouTube. It has been crazy. So, I want to kind of bring you different types of content. It's 2 in the morning. I gotta wake up, go to work in like 5 hours. But this is gonna conclude the video. I want you guys to know I've been working hard just to bring you guys some content. Only like 13 subs from 200. I appreciate every single person. Thank you for supporting me and what I like to do. So, without further ado,